What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Peak Performance Engineering. I'm Brandon, and it's Saturday, and today we are going to be working again on my 2022 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon Unlimited 4xe. And as you guys know, I just got this Jeep last week, and so I actually went from a 2021 Ram to this Jeep, and of course we have Katie's yellow 2021 Wrangler, so we are literally a Jeep, two Jeep family, but I do not have a truck. This poses a problem for a big reason. One is I do a lot of mountain biking, a lot of cycling. My girls are also into mountain biking, and Katie is also. So I needed to have some way to transport 4 bikes at once, or up to 4 bikes. I ended up looking around on Amazon again, and basically I ended up selecting this unit here. I'll put the link in the description down below. And I selected this one for no other reason other than this was the absolute cheapest unit that I could find on Amazon. I think this was about $100, and then there was like a $10 off coupon, so it was about $90 shipped to my house. So I decided, let's give it a shot. Now there's a couple things that we're gonna find out together, is whether or not the it's a hitch mounted bike rack, I should say, first of all. So basically it comes out and then comes up. So I'm not sure if it's gonna clear the tire carrier. I did find some actual kind of Jeep specific ones on Amazon that, you know, looks like in the photo they did clear, but those were like $250, and I just didn't want to spend that much money. There's also another option where it comes out and basically there's like kind of little platforms for the tires to go into, and you can fit 4 bikes that way. I really like that style. I thought that'd be more convenient, but again, those were about, I think, $250 to $300. So I figured, you know what, worst case, let's just give this one a shot first, $90. If it works decent enough, fine. If not, we can take it back. So let's get to unboxing and see what we got. All right, so I'm bringing you guys in a little bit closer here to see what we've got. So this, of course, is going to be the main component that will be holding the bikes. And so it looks like it pivots, and it pivots with like a clevis pin so that it can be pinned down. And then, of course, you can pin it up like this, and this is how the bikes will go in. Now, what's going to be interesting, and you know, whether we want to keep this thing or not, is kind of how easy it is to use these portions of the rack, which, you know, looks like you just kind of like slide the bike frame over and then hold it in place with these little straps. Now, the issue with that might be that the bottom kind of sways, the bottom of the bike, I mean, and you know, I don't know if that'll cause any issues. So that's kind of the drawback with this design, but we'll see how that goes. Now, the main thing is going to be getting this bad boy into our hitch and then seeing if it's actually going to fit. So I guess let's try that before we go any farther and make sure. All right, so in all my Jeeps, I do always get the optional tow package, just because I do have like a 7x12 landscape trailer that I like to throw my quads on, and some of the kids stuff. We do go up north almost every weekend in the summer, so having this optional trailer tow package is always very nice. Let's grab our spot here, our little dude, and let's see. Okay, epic fail. So we're not even close. I would say we've got 3 inches that this piece needs to go in before we can actually be able to slide our pin in to hold this hitch in place. So yeah, so unfortunately this kit is not going to work for us. So we'll have to send this bad boy back, order another one, and probably spend another $100 or more. All right, guys, well, we gave it a shot. Epic fail, and I'm gonna go ahead and reorder a different version of this thing and see if we can find something that works that won't break the bank. I did see the one on Amazon. I think it was called like an Allen brand something. That was the one that was 4 Jeeps that I saw, and it's a similar design. It really looked like the only difference is they have a longer piece on the bottom to be able to clear that rear tire. So all right, that's it, guys. Gonna be a super short video, but hey, if you thought about using this thing on your Jeep, now you know it's not going to work. Later.